Good morning, everyone. This is Lucia Vega, and you are about to get trended up with this week's trendy topics. The subjects and events we hear at Volt News Network will carry forward into this coming week. Let's get into it. Hurricane Lee was talked about all last week as it had the potential to cause catastrophic damage anywhere it made landfall, as it reached the rare Category 5 status. However, as an update, we have seen the first projected landfall graphs for the hurricane, and it looks like we might get lucky with a path that appears to be hanging out at sea instead of hammering the eastern coast or islands. Apple is expected to launch their latest iPhone at an event on Tuesday. With tons of features and a lot of other great looks at upcoming technology, this Apple event is sure to make headlines. We heard the last 2 weeks about the ongoing migrant and refugee situations in cities like New York and Boston, and heard reactions and policies from officials. New York is calling out for help, while Massachusetts is calling for a state of emergency to help house the migrants before the harsh New England winter causes a humanitarian crisis. You'll likely be hearing more about this issue. President Biden and his son are making headlines as usual, with multiple reports of a trial date for his son and the special counsel investigation at the end of this month. It sure seems like the Biden family has a lot going on. The president is wrapping up his trip to the G20 summit in India and would logically be making statements and drawing attention to any actions he took while at the summit. We should expect to see more of the ongoing coverage of the January 6th hearings and investigations, which could lead to charges against more Trump allies. Some of the latest trials will be televised, including 2 of Trump's co-defendants, Kenneth Chesebro and Sidney Powell, which were aired Friday. We should expect more on these crazy cases as we move closer to former President Trump's case, which they want to be televised. And last on the list this week, expect to hear more about Elon Musk and his Starlink satellites, as people shout the billionaire down, trying to politicize his privately owned satellite network after he allegedly did not authorize or activate satellite access during a wartime operation in Ukraine. This lead to heavy backlash and will likely be talked about going into next week. That's it for your trendy topics for this week. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, everyone, and stay safe out there. This is Lucia Vega with Volt News Network.